Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A17, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's swipe down from the top right side of our screen, and then in this area right here, I'm going to swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles. Now we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me it is visible right over here. Once you see this toggle, hold it. It shows you this option to turn it on for a period of time or until you turn it off, but we're interested in the button right here for now, Details. This will quickly take you to the settings. Here you will be able to customize how the mode will function once enabled, so I recommend at least going here once, checking how it's set, and then just closing it up and probably forgetting about it. Anyway, let's find the toggle once more, and this time around you can just simply tap on it, and it brings up the option to turn it off for a specific amount of time, till basically 7 p.m. or until I turn it off. I personally like the timed option. Something like this is good enough for me, and when I select turn on, I don't need to remember to turn it off. The device will do that for me later on once the timer passes. So that's just my preference. Now if you chose to until turn off, or maybe you just want to turn it off before the timer runs out, you can find the toggle once more and tap on it once again to disable it. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.